Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Yes, me too, I'm fine. Guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel whereby we are looking on mathematics, that is to improve our grades and to improve our performance. So guys, I believe that you are still improving because I'm here for you. So guys, let's continue. We are looking at this problem, guys, whereby we want to solve, and this is a logarithmic equation. Guys, for you to be able to solve such kind of questions, you need to have the laws of logarithms at your fingertips, so that you can be able now to solve such kind of a problem. And so, guys, I will just start and see. I'll be telling you which law I am applying as I continue. So guys, let's start off. So here we shall write x squared plus 5x, and then here we can come, and because here we have 9 and we have 3, I can write it like this, guys. I can write log 3 raised to 2, and the 2 I can bring it here. You know, there is such a law whereby you have n here can also be brought in front of the log, and which is quite okay. And so now we have something like that. That is one of the laws that we have, whereby if you have something like this, maybe I can demonstrate it to you guys. You have something like this. You have log x raised to n. This one gives us n log x. You can remember that law. That is what I have applied there. And so guys, we also have another law we shall apply, whereby if you have log of a number a to the same base a, this one now gives us 1. And so guys, here the log of 3 to base 3 will become 1. And so guys, I can even cancel it right now, like that, because now it is going to be 1. Let's continue from there. Plus, of course, when I cancel everything except 2. You never cancel log alone. For example, guys, you cannot have, like for example, you cannot have something like this. Log 2 is equals to, let's say, log x. You cannot come and cancel log like that and now say that your x is equals to 2. Yes, your x is equals to 2, but it's not supposed to be done like that. So don't cancel log. Otherwise, if you can do that, then it means, guys, if you have a problem like this, for example, we know that log 3 plus log 2 gives us log 6. It means, guys, you can also come and cancel this, because all logs are everywhere. You cancel that and you cancel that. Then you can tell me that now 3 plus 2 is going to be equal to 6. Guys, not possible. So don't make use of cancelling log alone unless you are cancelling with a number. For example, what I have done here, I have cancelled log 3 to base 3. That is quite okay. So guys, we continue, even as I teach you some of the laws of logarithm as we continue. So this one is going now to be x plus 2. Again, guys, here we have 16 and we have 2. I can write this 16 in terms of 2. That is log 2 raised to 4. Because this is now 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times, which gives us 16. And this one is to base 2. This now comes to negative 12. So guys, as we continue now, I'll take my 4 from this point and I can put it here. I can put now this 4 here and I cancel it from here. So that now guys, even this log 2 to base 2 will also cancel like that. So guys, let's continue. So guys, now we continue from there. So that now we have, here we have x squared plus 5x like that. We also have our 2 there plus x plus 2, and again now we have 4 here. This now gives us negative 12 like that. So guys, we continue. We now multiply 2 to the inside and 4 to the inside. So this is now going to give us 2x squared plus 10x plus, here we have 4x plus 8 like that. This one now gives us 12. I hope we have done it well. That is 2x squared, 10x, we have 4x, and we have 8. So we are still on course. And so guys, we continue. Here we can add the like terms together. So when we add the like terms together, 2x squared, that one remains alone. Then we are left with the 10x plus 4x, which gives us now 14x. Like that. Then we have 8 here, we have also 12. Guys, we can bring the 12 this side so that we can say 8 minus 12. And when we do that, of course this 12 is supposed to be negative. I had forgotten to write a negative there. So bring 12 this side, then it will be a positive, and then you shall find that it shall be now 20. This one now gives us 0, like that. So guys, we have some work to do here where we are going to solve this quadratic equation. And so guys, we can use the factor method, whereby we look for two numbers. If you multiply, you get 20. If you add, you get 14. So let's find out those two numbers. For example, we have, sorry guys, we are supposed to have 2 times 20. That is 40, not 20, but 40. Two numbers, if you multiply, you get 40. And if you add, you get 14. So those two numbers are actually 10 and 4. Because if you multiply 10 times 4, you get 40. That is 2 times 20 is 40. Then you add, you get 14. And so now we are going to write that 2x squared plus 10x plus 4x now plus 20. This one now gives us 0. Then we can separate this into 2, like that and like that. And guys, when we do like that, if there is a time when there is a negative here, you would have to change this sign. But now, since it is positive, this one remains. Now we can factor out the 2. If we factor out 2 here, x, we shall remain with x plus now 5. Like that. And this other side, you can factor out 4. So that what remains here is x plus 5. This is equals to 0. So guys, always notice that when we are factoring out, whatever remains here always is the same. Otherwise, it is not correct. So guys, make sure that when you factor out, Whatever remains here is the same as that. So now guys, we are left with the two factors, which is 2x plus 4 bracket. Then we have here 2x x plus 5. This one now gives us 0. So we can say that 2x plus 4 equals to 0, or x plus 5 is equals to 0. And therefore now guys, for this side, x is going to be equal to negative 5. And for this other side, we will have 2x equals to 4. You can bring it this other side, you get minus 4. And so therefore, x will be equal to negative 2. So guys, that is our solution for that problem. And so guys, thank you for listening to me. And as you can see, the problem is solved in such a manner. Guys, always try to put it in order. Let your work be neat. Many of the students, their work is not neat. So guys, I urge you to do a nice job so that even when your teacher looks at it, he admires it. And so guys, you are able even to get more marks when you write clearly. So guys, thank you for being together with me. Bye bye.